Bonjour. Salut. Hello. Honey chicken sandwich. Listen, I got a little bit left. This honey chicken sandwich. I ate an entire jalapeno. This is a honey chicken sandwich. It's hot. There's honey. There's chicken. And it's a sandwich. Mozzarella sticks. They go. See, Rosie out because this honey chicken sandwich taking my taste buds out of this world and out of the spice barometer that I can handle personally. I got the jalapeno aioli. Barely touched it. Barely touched it. I can't. The brisk, almost empty. Honey chicken sandwich.